Alright, so this is the end of week 2, and I've created my first 2 features, which were login and CRUD. Um, so here you can see my application is going to be called outside, just to demonstrate how it works. First we'll create a user. We'll just say test at test.com. ABCD 1, 2, 3. You can go ahead and create that account, which will then bring me to a home page which has a logout, which will be used for further. This would be basically the main page of the application. So we can log out of there and see that we're back at the login page. And if we go into the database and hit refresh, go down to the bottom, you can see that all the information is here and looks great. So now we'll go back to the application and we're going to log in using the same information. So we did test at test.com. And just to show you that there is some validation here through Bootstrap, which I implemented a little bit, but we'll do significantly more later when I can get to the styling. The coding's hard enough. But if I were to hit login, it would say password field is required. Alright, so we'll put in the right information this time. I think it was ABC 1, 2, 3. Alright. ABCD 1, 2, 3. ABCD 1, 2, 3. We can log in here, and it will take us to the same page that the create a user page did. And if we were to log out, we would come back to the main application. Alright, so basically what I have so far, and I'm still struggling with the routing, so I will get that worked on in the next few days here, hopefully later tonight. But anyways, back to the code. I have my main view, essentially, that loads in using Bootstrap. I have the Bootstrap connected here, the jQuery, the JavaScript. Then in this div container, I'm loading the login view and the register view. So those are views that are here. The login view is basically just a form, that takes in email and password. The register view is where you're going to create your account. So those are side by side in the view. And going back to the next one, we have our user's model. This is where we create a user and also log in the user. There will be more in here as well as the application gets further into development. Once I get that main account page created, I would like to allow it to update a user and delete an account. So we'll go ahead and get that done as well, but just when it becomes necessary for the application. Next I have my controller, the user's controller, and this is where you're registering, you're logging in, and you are logging out. It's where everything happens. We run over the views here. I have another controller here called Home, which is just loading the home view, which is here, which I will get separated later when I start to build this out, but for now this will do, and it just has the logout button that it displays. It does use the Bootstrap to make it at least look a little bit nice for now. And then I have the logout function here. So I think that's about it for this week. I look forward to next week and building out the rest of this application. Thank you.